Hi friends, welcome to my channel. The Oppo Reno 15 is shaping up to be a mid-range powerhouse. The design to feature a premium look and a flat display, borrowing some flagship level specifications. There will be AMOLED touchscreen display, a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, 1.5K resolution. The smartphone is tipped to run on a powerful MediaTek Dimensity processor with additional support of an octa-core CPU, paired with a 8, 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB of storage. Potentially with IP68, IP69 rating for excellent durability. Camera system will be triple camera setup and front camera will be 50 megapixel. It also includes premium touches like an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Smartphone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.